Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7X, a laptop that's generating a lot of buzz for its innovative features and stunning design. Let's start with the design. The Lenovo Yoga Slim 7X is a masterpiece in terms of aesthetics. It features a sleek, ultra-portable design with a sturdy aluminum chassis, reminiscent of premium laptops like the MacBook Air. The cosmic blue color adds a touch of elegance, making it a standout in any setting. Moving on to the display, the Yoga Slim 7X boasts a 14.5-inch OLED panel with a 90Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 2944 x 1840. This OLED display delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast, which enhances your viewing experience whether you're browsing the web or watching videos. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon X Elite processor paired with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of SSD storage. This setup ensures snappy performance, whether you're multitasking, editing documents, or streaming content. It excels in handling day-to-day tasks with ease. One of the standout features of the Yoga Slim 7X is its exceptional battery life. It provides long hours of usage on a single charge, making it ideal for users who are constantly on the move or need a laptop that lasts through a full day's work. In terms of usability, the keyboard offers a comfortable typing experience with well-spaced keys that provide good feedback. The touchpad is responsive and supports multi-touch gestures, enhancing overall productivity. However, the laptop isn't without its drawbacks. It lacks a headphone jack, which may be inconvenient for users who prefer wired headphones. Additionally, while the AI features are advertised, they feel underdeveloped and don't add significant value to the overall user experience. To sum it up, the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7X is a compelling choice for those seeking a blend of performance, portability, and a stunning display. Its sleek design, powerful Snapdragon X Elite processor, and impressive battery life make it a top contender in the ultra-portable laptop category. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.